12 years ago, Arjun was sharing one second-hand phone with two brothers in a two-room house, watching his father stitch clothes for 40 rupees apiece. Last month, he wired home more money in one transfer than his father earned in 2 years, from his data engineering job in Dubai. This is his story. And more importantly, this is the exact staircase he climbed, step by step, so you can climb it too. One honest thing before we start. Arjun is a composite. His story is stitched together from the real journeys of engineers I've known and worked with. The small town start, the service company grind, the night study, the Gulf move. Every step, every number, every mistake in this video comes from real paths people have actually walked. I've built it as one story because a story is easier to follow than a checklist. But make no mistake, the checklist is in here too, and by the end, you'll have all of it. Here's the whole journey on one timeline, so you know where we're going. 2014, a government school in a small town, no computer at home. 2018, a plain BCA degree from a local college nobody ranks. 2019, first job, technical support, 15,000 rupees a month. 2022, the switch into a data team. 2024, senior data engineer at 1.2 lakhs a month. 2026, Dubai, tax-free, family debt cleared. Notice something, there's no IIT on this line. No rich uncle. No lucky break. Just stairs, and he took them one at a time. Chapter 1. The starting line, and why being poor changes your strategy, not your ceiling. Arjun's town had one internet cafe. His school taught computers from a textbook. The lab had 6 machines and 40 students. His father, a tailor. His mother took stitching work too when festival season came. There was love in that house, but there was also arithmetic. Every rupee had a job before it arrived. When Arjun said he wanted computers, nobody laughed. They just asked the only question poverty knows how to ask. How much does it cost? And that question, it turns out, has a better answer today than at any point in human history. Guideline 1. The part of Arjun's era that's your unfair advantage. The knowledge that used to live behind institute fees now sits free on a used phone. Free code camp, CS50 from Harvard, endless YouTube, world class and free. Here's the reframe that matters. The degree, any degree, from any college, is mostly a checkbox. It matters for visas and HR filters, especially for the Gulf later. So get one, the cheapest legitimate one you can. But your real college is the internet, and its only fee is discipline. Arjun's BCA cost less per year than 1 month of a coaching institute. He spent the difference in hours, not rupees. Chapter 2. The first job, the one nobody puts on a poster, and the one almost everyone actually starts with. 2019. Arjun lands in Pune with 1 bag and a shared room with 3 others. The job, technical support at a service company. 15,000 a month. Night shifts, angry tickets, resetting passwords for a client 9 time zones away. Half his salary went home. Here's what he understood that most people miss. This job was not his career, it was his beachhead. It paid for existence in a city where opportunity lives. It gave him a company email, a badge, and something priceless, proximity to people who already did what he wanted to do. Guideline 2. Your first job's title doesn't matter. Its geography and adjacency do. Any IT job in a hub city, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Noida, puts you inside the building where the real work happens. Learn the map, which team owns the data warehouse, who writes the pipelines, what tools show up in internal job posts, and defend a non-negotiable, 2 hours of study every single day. Arjun did his after-night shifts, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m., before the excuses woke up. 2 hours a day is 14 hours a week, more than 1 working day of compounding, every week, for free. Chapter 3. Choosing the ladder, because working hard on the wrong ladder still leaves you on the wrong roof.
It's not the model. It's the data.
A senior at Arjun's company said that line in a meeting. It's not the model, it's the data, and something clicked. Every company was drowning in data, and almost nobody could plumb it. That's data engineering. Permanent demand, learnable skills. SQL, Python, one cloud platform. No genius required, just stack practice. It's less crowded than web development, better paid than support and testing. And here's the part that matters for where this story ends. Gulf employers, banks, airlines, government digital programs hire heavily for exactly these data roles. Arjun didn't pick a passion. He picked a ladder that was bolted to a growing wall. His entire curriculum, and it's free. Months 1 to 3, SQL until it's reflex, select, joins, group by, window functions, on any free platform. Months 4 to 6, Python for data, files, AP is, Pandas basics. Months 7 to 9, one cloud, and only one. He chose Azure, using the free tier and student credits. Months 10 to 12, put it together, build one end-to-end pipeline project like the one I built on this channel last video, and put it on GitHub. 1 year, 2 hours a day, total cost, nearly zero. That GitHub link becomes your degree from the University of Proof. Chapter 4. The switch, the single most repeatable trick in this whole story. Most people think career changes happen between companies. The cheapest one happens inside. After a year of study, Arjun started solving small data problems nobody asked him to solve. A support dashboard from ticket exports, a script that caught a recurring data mismatch before the client did. Then he asked his manager one precise question. Can I shadow the data team for a quarter? Internal transfers don't check pedigree the way external interviews do. They check evidence. He had a year of it. The transfer came with a title change, a 25% raise, and a seat at the table he'd been studying for. Guideline 3, the repeatable version. First, solve one real data problem in your current role, visibly, automation, a dashboard, a data quality catch. Second, ask for a stretch assignment or a shadow quarter with the data team. You're asking for work, not a favor, and managers say yes to that surprisingly often. Third, remember internal moves check evidence, not college names. Your GitHub and that automation are the interview. And a hard edge. If your company blocks you twice, stop negotiating with a wall. Take the same evidence to the external market. Loyalty is a two-way street, or it's a leash.
Access denied. It's bypassing the firewall.
And now the chapter motivational videos skip. 2 years in, Arjun owned a migration that failed at the worst hour. Pipeline down, client escalation, that red alert night. He didn't hide, and he didn't spray blame. He wrote the post-mortem himself. What broke, what he missed, what would prevent it. He got skipped for promotion that cycle. It stung, he almost quit. He stayed one more cycle, fixed the process that burned him, and passed. Here's the truth. Seniors remember how you behave in a fire longer than they remember your successes. Your worst production night, handled with ownership, is a promotion interview in disguise. Chapter 5. Becoming undeniable. The 2 years that made the Gulf possible.
Ship it.
Ship it. The first time Arjun said that as the engineer leading the release, not the one watching it. By 2024, he was senior, 1.2 lakhs a month. Senior didn't mean older. It meant he owned outcomes, not tasks. The pipeline being reliable was his job, not just his ticket queue. He mentored 2 juniors, which quietly doubled his own understanding. And he kept receipts, cost savings from optimized clusters, incidents prevented, SLAs met, numbers on a page. Remember those receipts. In the next chapter, they become a plane ticket. Chapter 6. The Gulf, where the same work, done by the same person, suddenly builds wealth at triple speed. The idea came from a college friend in Sharjah and one LinkedIn search. Data engineer, Dubai. Banks digitizing, airlines running on data, government programs hiring aggressively, and every salary tax-free. Arjun spent 3 months preparing, polished his LinkedIn with those receipts, got his degree certificates attested, targeted UAE and Saudi postings, and interviewed at night after work. The offer, 18,000 dirhams a month at a Dubai bank. Same work he was already doing. Roughly 4 times his take-home, with 0 income tax. For the first time in his life, the arithmetic that ruled his childhood flipped. Look at the staircase in money terms. 2019, 15,000 rupees a month on the support desk. After the switch, 45,000 as a junior data engineer. Senior by 2024, 1.2 lakhs. And the Dubai offer, 18,000 dirhams, about 4.2 lakhs a month, tax-free. Notice the biggest single jump isn't a skill jump. It's a geography jump on top of the same skills. That's the Gulf thesis in one picture. India builds the skill, the Gulf multiplies the price. And the multiplier only works if the skill is real first. Now the honest Dubai math, because gross salary is a vanity number. 18,000 dirhams in. A shared two-bedroom in a normal area is half, around 4,500. Food, transport, phone, call it 3,000 living reasonably. What's left is 10,000 dirhams, about 2.3 lakhs of rupees, saved or sent home, every single month, legally untaxed. His father's yearly income, monthly. In year 1, he cleared the family debt. In year 2, the house got a real roof and his sister's education got a real budget. That is what a geography multiplier does to a family tree. Guideline 4, with both hands on the table. The upside is real. 3 to 4 times the savings rate, safe streets. Home is a 3.5-hour flight, and data rolls everywhere. But hear the other side. Your visa is your job. Lose one, the clock starts on the other. There's no real permanent residency path for most people. Summers are brutal, rents can spike, and the distance from aging parents costs something no dirham measures. The strategic play, go after 3 to 5 years of real skill in India, because the Gulf pays premium for proven engineers, not potential. I've made 3 full videos on the Gulf, market, skills roadmap, and the complete guide, all linked below.
All pipelines green. We're live.
All pipelines green, in a Dubai ops room now. But the run that mattered most wasn't on any dashboard. 6 months into Dubai, Arjun sent the transfer that closed his father's oldest loan, a debt that had shadowed the family for most of his life. His father didn't say much on the call. Tailors don't cry easily. But the machine was quiet that evening. And for the first time Arjun could remember, his father slept before midnight. Poverty isn't just empty pockets. It's a background process that eats every CPU cycle of a family's peace. Killing that process, that's what all the 6 a.m. study sessions were actually for. So here is the whole staircase as a plan you can start tonight. Step 1. Secure any IT entry job in a hub city. Title irrelevant. Adjacency is everything. Step 2. 2 disciplined hours a day. SQL, then Python, then one cloud for 1 year. Step 3. Build public proof. 1 end-to-end pipeline on GitHub, receipts from real problems you solved at work. Step 4. Switch internally to data or jump companies with your evidence. Step 5. After 3 to 5 years of real skill, take it to the Gulf and let geography multiply it. No lottery ticket on this list. Just stairs. Before the ending, the disclaimers most videos won't give you. This path raises your odds. It doesn't guarantee outcomes. For every Arjun, there are people who worked just as hard and hit worse luck. Layoffs, family emergencies, health. Some take 5 years, some take 10. Both count as winning if the direction holds. If you're carrying responsibilities that eat your 2 hours, your timeline is longer, not your worth lower. But here's what is guaranteed. Every single step on this staircase is free to start. Tonight. And a staircase you never step on has a success rate of exactly 0. If Arjun's story is roughly your starting point, small town, thin wallet, big engine, then this channel is built for you. The end-to-end Azure project from the last video is the exact portfolio piece from Step 3, free on GitHub, link below. The 3 Gulf guides are there too. Your move is 1 step, tonight. Open the SQL course, or clone the project. Not both. 1. Subscribe if stories with real roadmaps like this help you. There's a new long-form data engineering video here every week. Tell me in the comments where you are on the staircase right now, Step 1 or Step 4, and what's blocking you. I read all of them, and the next videos come from exactly those comments. Connect with me on LinkedIn if you want to talk about your own path. Somewhere out there, a future version of you is already sleeping before midnight. Go build the staircase that gets you to them. See you in the next one.